Hi, Celia in Italy. And I never do unboxings, but I'm doing one today because this is really exciting. My magazine, Italy Travel and Style, has just arrived and oh, take a look. I'm so happy. Take a look, take a look, take a look. Here we go. Ta-da! I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, it looks fantastic. Glossy cover. Glossy back cover. And here we go, the inside pages. Oh, the paper is really nice.